Google Jamboard is Google's interactive whiteboard. You can get to Google Jamboard through your Drive by going to New, More, and Google Jamboard and hit Create and Share. You can also always get to Jamboard by typing in jamboard.google.com. When Jamboard opens up, it looks like an interactive whiteboard, just a blank canvas for you to work on. It will start out untitled, so you can title it whatever you would like. And then let's take a look at some of the features. So by default, you get a white paper background, but you can set the background to be gridded dots, lines, a graph type paper. You have another setting for graph type paper, or you could go blue or black, or you could actually select a photo and you could pop that in as your background and then use it to annotate and write over. I'm going to clear this frame off and reset it back to a white background so that we can look at some of the other features. So you have a pen here, and if you click on it, then you can change it from a pen to a marker, highlighter, or brush, and then you have a few color options that you can change it to. So you can write, you can always change it to a marker or a highlighter, or again a brush. When you are finished with them, you can choose the eraser, and you can erase like this, or if you want to erase the entire thing, you can hit clear frame and it will go away. You obviously have your arrow for your pointer. You can add sticky notes. Again, you can choose what color you want the sticky note to be, and then you can add notes about whatever topic you are looking at. So if I was doing, again, on the water cycle, and I wanted to make a sticky note for each part of the water cycle, then I could add those in there, and so on. You can change the size of them, you can rotate them around, you can edit them, duplicate them, or you can put them in different order. You can add images. You can add them from an upload on your computer, a link you may have from your webcam if you have one on your computer, your Google Drive, your Google Photos, or you can just search Google Images. It will pull up images that you have the Creative Commons license to use, and then you can pop those in there. Again, you can rotate them and move them around. You can insert shapes, so you can do circle, square, triangle, diamonds, arrows, those kinds of things. So you can insert shapes in places that you need to. You can order things, duplicate them, spin those around. You can insert text boxes and then type within those text boxes. And then you have a laser pointer that you can use during presentations. If you fill up one whiteboard page, you can go up here and click next, the arrow, and it will add another one. And then you can continue working on that. You can share your Jamboard, and more than one person can be working on the same Jamboard at the same time. So you could put a Jamboard into Google Classroom for your students, ask each of one of them to create or pick a page on there and add to it, or ask them to add sticky notes to a page answering different questions, and really use it as an interactive whiteboard where you can collaborate with your students. So lots of good ideas for brainstorming and exploring ideas and discussion in classroom can be used with Google Jamboard.